carrier, and it just came on time because we have a new puppy in the family. We're gonna have to be transporting her back and forth to the vet. This is a pet carrier itself. You can carry it like so, and you can use it like this so that you have something to grip on. The other part is it does have this strap that's adjustable, and there's these clips on the side that you can adjust so that if you wanted to carry your pet, you can carry it comfortably like so. I did notice that it has a pocket right here, so you can put your poop bag right here and pull it out. At the top, you have this zipper and mesh screw that you can see your pup in. You can roll these up like so, and then these little things are there to keep it open. So I love that this has like so many different mesh all around it so that your pup or your cat can see you. But inside of here, it does have this little holder. So like if you had your pup or your cat on a leash, then they'll be attached to this thing. And so they can't just run out whenever you open it. They also have this padding. It's durable, so they're gonna feel nice and secure in there. You can remove this to clean it. And then this just gets placed in here like so. All right, so on both sides is a mesh. And so on your side, I'll show you. But you can roll this up so you can have it as a mesh for your pets to feel as comfortable to be able to see you, or you can close it so that they're not as distracted and just keep them comfortable. But then I wanted to show you that it does come with this little cart. When I put this together, it just came with these wheels, and it says like push up to open it, and that allows me to just remove them. And then to put them back on there, you just slide it back and it will click. So all four of your wheels do that. So one set spins and the other one doesn't. And then this folds over like this so that you can just put it in your car. So on this side, you have the strap that would just go around this. So you would place it here, put this through, and do that. And then under here, you have this. So you would just unvelcro it and put it through. Then on this side, you just put it through like that. And then you have one more up here. Right, and so then the handle also goes all the way up to here. I do like the wheels being where the handle is. It's easier to kind of maneuver it and turn it. All right, guys, so this is Scarlett. She's our 9-week-old pug. So we're going to test this out with her. So she is really tiny, but this carrier can actually go up to 20 pounds. This is perfect for her because it has a lot of airflow and she has plenty of space to lay in it and move around in it. So there she is in there. She's super tiny, but she has plenty of room to move around. And then let's roll it. Right, so she's like unsure about it, but seems to be doing okay. Super easy to roll it. Let's try turning it. All right, so super easy to turn it. Let's see if I can just walk this way with it. So it's pretty smooth. So she's in there. She's a pup, so she's learning what that feels like. And she's kind of unsure about it because everything is brand new with her. But she can see me up here. She can hear me. And so she's just sitting in there comfortably, right? So Scarlett didn't seem to mind that ride. It does have a lot of airflow in there. And then, of course, we can always make her more comfortable and close it up for her. She's got plenty of space, so she's got room to grow in it. And the ride was pretty smooth. So if you're looking for a new pet carrier, you should definitely check this one out.